So here is showing you how to install Battle.net. You do have two options. You can use the link through Blizzard, or you can just type Battle.net on your browser. So that's the link for Battle.net. You can just click on that and it will start downloading on your system. So before you can start downloading, Windows will actually give you a warning that this is not an app that they offer. So what you'll do is you can click change my app recommendation settings. So you're going to click on that, and then on the recommendation settings, you will have to pick the one that says anywhere but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. So you would have click on that. After that one, your Battle.net should start downloading. So right now it is downloading. So if you haven't registered to Battle.net yet, you can start registering. So as soon as this download is ready, you can just log in or sign in, and then you can start playing and downloading the games you want from Battle.net. Now you're all set.